Make I quickly ease myself. I dey come now. So person really forget their car for this place? Abi I dey dream? Anyways, make I quickly comot this car for here before the owner comes back.
No be juju be that.
What? My car? I need to check this.
Okada, abeg carry me go Aburu.
Oga abeg, help me polish this car well. I wan sell am. Tunde, where you see this car now? Na my car, I no steal am. Alright, make I check am. Oga, you go pay for the work, oh. No wahala, my brother. We go settle am.
Oga, na my car be this. What you want to do? Move away from my property.
Photo.
You dey craze, so you are the one that stole my car.
I did not steal anything. I use my money buy am.
Calm down, abeg. I will not calm down. This bastard is trying to claim my car. If I make I show you proof.
Now look at the video. Is that not you in the video?
So true, you stole the car. Hey, stop right there! Thief! Don't let him escape!
Chai, I thank God say I later find my car. But wait, so how you take locate the car to this place? I was able to track it from my phone through my 4G car guide camera.
Really?
Yes.
Wow! So how can I get one for my car?
You can get it from Diamond Media and IT Solutions. They are experts in security solution, and that is where you can get this product to secure your car from theft. So if you want to get one for your car, you can call them. Their phone number is right here on your screen, or just visit them. They are located at Suite 2418 Simbiat Abiola Way, Computer Village, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria.